Welcome to Outdoors with Papa. We have a two-part series coming up. Rebuilding my bamboo shelter. We have some drone footage. We're going to build a campfire reflector. A lot of good stuff. It's about 10 degrees right now, and we're going to go from nice warm weather to snow. So hang in there. Let's have some fun. Hey, here's the shelter out in the backwoods. And what I'm doing is going to reinforce another bamboo there. And then we're going to put bamboo from the back to the front, put a T in the middle over here to give it support. And then we're going to put the tarp above here. And it's only about 5:15 in the evening, so there's a lot of day left to play and do some outdoor projects and just have a nice little wind shelter, rain shelter, a place to go. This is fun. It's peace and quiet. It's beautiful out here. Half moon and all is good. No drones though. I haven't seen any drones over the Pine Barrens, but we'll keep an eye out. What a fun afternoon, evening, and time to go in, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Well, this is what it looks like during the daytime. We're gonna get started. We're gonna film along and check out the progress. What I'm doing here is using the cross lashing. I call it a cross lashing, just using simple cable ties. They're sturdy, they're durable, it's quick, it's easy, and I'll just clean these off after I'm all done. There's the center post. I'm going to secure it with some angle irons, some loops at the top, lash it around, and you can hear me breathing, you missed all the sawing. I didn't realize it in the noise of the handsaw. The battery ran out, and but anyway, we got it in place, 67.5 inches, and now we're going to secure it to the floor and to the top. Alrighty. The angle iron's on. Now we're just gonna secure the top with some good old zip tie lashing, and going to then get the tarp, the covered tarp, on the top, and we'll have ourselves a nice little place in the outdoors. It's Friday the 13th. It's only about 6 o'clock, but we're going to put the tarp on top of the shelter. And so right now, get all our cross beams. Anyway, here we go. It's a shelter in the daylight, and we're gonna tighten things up. But also what I need to do is right here, put a brace right at the juncture there to come all the way down. Just a pole, not a brace. Just to lift this centerpiece up, which will go up 82 inches from the floor. And what that will do is give it the height and then the runoff of the rain to the back. Right now we're going to go find a piece of, I'm thinking pitch pine. Take the bark off with the Drawknife, and we'll put that brace up. Let's get going. Alright, this one looks pretty good. This was my grandpa's Drawknife. I cleaned it up a little bit, sharpened it up. This is my Craftsman Hatchet. I've had it for 42 years. and I treat your tools well, they'll treat you well. Just finish it up. .95% complete. I just gotta do some nice fun knickknacks on the inside, but here we go. Bamboo shelter. 1, 2, 3, 4 tarps, and I'm telling you what's the coolest thing. We'll have some weatherproof. I got some cracks here, but you know what? We got some good ventilation. Wow, that was fun. That's a fun spot out here in the woods, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe. And for crying out loud, get outside and take a hike. We'll see you soon. Are we going on a big adventure?